Hey there. I got something special for you guys. A couple of days ago, I finally uploaded my issue 0 onto Amazon, and I ordered in my proof copy before I officially release it next month. I also ordered in a couple of others, including a book from a friend. So yeah, let's get this bad boy open. And okay. Wow. Okay. Um. I am really am tearing up. Um. This is so unreal. I've been working on this thing for years, and to actually have this thing on my hands, it's really is an undescribable feeling. Like I said, I do kind of see some slight discrepancies with the cover. It doesn't seem to be fully lined up with the spine, which is fine. Wow. Yeah, this is so unreal. This issue 0 is a total of 78 pages. Um, Plus, I also kind of included some good bit of bonus content, like my tales from the autistic, plus several bonus sketches and a little preview. It's I spend years of work. The colors, again, not bad. Like it's definitely again. Uh, I'm just finding it hard for me to put things into words with this. Print quality definitely seemed to be solid. And I will probably continue on looking at this over the next several days before I publish it. One thing that definitely I was concerned about that was in the preview for the covers is that when the Amazon preview, the text those seem to be a little blurry, but here it's nice and crisp. So yeah, um, I also ordered in a kids book made by a friend that again helps support Jonas, and another book, another book on autism, which I have right here. I wanted to take a quick look at. I'm honestly probably am not going to do a review or give my opinions on this because I don't think it's appropriate for me because of on how I'm handling this. Hopefully next month this book will be out. It would cost probably around like $16, I'm assuming. Not sure yet, but yeah. Um, thanks you guys for watching, and I will keep you guys up going on this because this is going to be basically a monthly series. Seriously, because I have like 14 of these and many more to come. Now, later.